up, Ervin? Chef Ervin!
Oh, what?
You made a new video.
Oh my god, it's been 80 freaking years.
Yes, sir.
Oh my god.
Can
Okay.
we get a video, please?
Yeah, sure. Give me it.
All propelled by the power and force of an idea of one wonderful man, one system.
Oh shoot. I bet you're wondering, what am I doing right now? I'm eating hot Cheetos. And, I guess we'll go on to the next scene. Alright, today's special guest is my sister. Alright. We're gonna have you record certain parts. Oh, and we'll also have me film parts where you're doing it. We're gonna get the stuff that we need. What we're gonna need is 6 chicken breasts if you live with a family of 6. Brioche buns. And what else are we gonna need?
Bun, sorry. What else are we gonna need? Oh, lettuce!
Oh yeah, where's the lettuce? We're gonna need some iceberg lettuce, whatever lettuce you prefer. Fancy lettuce.
Where else would someone travel around the world in a day
Brioche to get hurt.
without the hassle?
What are we gonna need?
A bag of tomatoes. How many tomatoes are in the bag? I don't know. You can figure that out on your own. Here.
Oh wait, okay, I got it. Alright. And last but not least, well actually no, not last but not least, but we're gonna need some lemons, and butter. Yeah, butter. Yeah, butter. Oh, I just realized I forgot to put it in the fridge.
Uh-oh. We're gonna need barbecue sauce. On the barbie.
On the barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
Gonna need the barbecue.
Okay.
You know, I'm not gonna tell them what the spices are. It's my secret, and my secret to tell them.
Ravioli, give me the formioli.
No, I'm not gonna give them the formula. Alright, one thing, my formula is top secret. I'm not gonna just you know what? Put whatever you want. Put some garlic, put some you know what? I'm just gonna say just buy a herb for chicken, mainly made for chicken. That's all I'm sorry. I'm bad at pronouncing a few things, you know. All right, that's just. I'm sorry for not telling you this, but it's my own secret. I'm sorry.
You take out the green part. I don't understand. It's green. It's healthy. You know, the greener it is, the healthier it is for you. The darker green.
It had plastic though, right?
This on top of it, yeah.
Yeah, then you should be fine.
See, just gotta give it a little rinsey.
Looks like our dad made a special guest appearance also.
Okay. So as you can see, I'm giving the lettuce a little rinsey, and yeah, and remember, the greener it is, the healthier it is. And wash your stuff, cause you know, there's gross stuff everywhere. So yeah, wash it.
Such wise words from my sister. And she also told me I was dumb for removing the top green part. All right, and then this part, I'm cutting open the chicken, and what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to butterfly the chicken, which is basically like cut the chicken breast in half, because you're getting a lot of meat and it's not gonna cook evenly, so you have to cut it in half. If you do not cut it in half, it will come out like crap, bro. I'm being for reals. It's not gonna. It's gonna be uncooked, very uncooked. And as you see, I was punching it, and you gotta also wash your hands after you're done with chicken. If you're touching raw chicken, you must wash your hands, and don't forget to bleach the area that you're making raw chicken with. And that's all I'm gonna tell you for right now, because I'm gonna now show you an example of what a butterfly chicken should look like. Flip it the other way. There we go.
To the fire, to the limit, to the wall. No, this is the back one, isn't it?
This is the front one.
What?
See the front, back. Ignite. Go to ignite. No, seal.
See? You didn't even record it. God. Chingas way.
Push it down. Put on ignite. There we go. What you're gonna need is some olive oil. Great value because I'm cheap like that.
Would you like me to record you?
Oh. And what you're gonna need to do next is you're gonna put the pan in olive oil, and after that you're gonna put your chicken into the hot sizzling pan. And damn, if you want to hear some ASMR stuff, just listen to that sizzle. Don't worry about my hands. Oh, and don't forget to place your hands in there. It doesn't really matter if you burn your fingers. Actually, it really does. Be careful. Don't do what I do. You could get a spatula or something.
To lemon cutting.
And next we're just gonna cut a beautiful lemon in half. This one wasn't as juicy. Lemon. It required a lot, and yeah, just required a lot of lemons in this. And next we're just gonna toast our brioche buns. Yeah, right on there, at low heat, because if we do it any higher, it's gonna be bad. Oh, and also cook your chicken in medium heat. I really forgot to mention that. I'm sorry, but yeah, just. And then what we're using is brioche buns, is proof right there. But just cook your chicken at medium heat, and once it's all seasoned, we also put butter in there, and I forgot to mention that. I also removed the fat of the chicken, which means that our only fat in here is the butter. This is supposed to be really healthy for you. And then, like you see right there, I'm flipping it. I'm flipping on the side that's been covered in butter. That's covered in the spices, because it's gonna be covered in the side of butter. But you also wanna add lemon juice, which will be on the next scene right there. You squeeze a whole lemon in there. Don't I was just being lazy. I used the lemon squeezer. Plus it does the job more quickly. And then you're just gonna baste your chicken after that. You're gonna baste it, and it's gonna come out really good. It's gonna come out pretty juicy. It's like the juiciest chicken I've ever made, I swear. And it's not even raw. It's literally just from like the oil and butter lemon juice combination, and there's my sister basting it. And next we're just gonna put barbecue sauce on there, and then boom. And then I was gonna add the lettuce on top there first, but I was like, nah. And it was folded so perfectly. I love that. It's just the fact that this came out really good. It came out really perfect, especially for the photo. And now just place on that chicken breast, that grilled chicken breast. Yeah, grilled. Oh, yeah. So good. And then we're just going to add the lettuce onto there. And then we're going to add, what was it? We're going to add tomato. Yeah, slice of tomato. Like a very, it's like, I don't know, it's thin / thick. It doesn't matter. Just how many slices of tomatoes you want. I put one because I'm not a huge tomato fan. This was also going to be served to my mom anyways. And we got that brioche bun falling off on there. And it didn't really stick, but you know, it's sticked after that, and like this side didn't really look that good. That one actually. So after that, we turned it. Having a chicken sandwich like this is like a delicacy, and it's really good, and it came out really freaking good. This would go really good with an ice cold beer, or for people my age, a soda. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on those notifications. And don't forget to share this video while you're at it. Goodbye.